Whose birdie's this? Is that your birdie? Did you catch another bird? Did you? Okay, we'll see if you can get to it. Hang on a second. There it is. Up you get. Oh, good girl. Feathers flying everywhere. You got another bird. It's the same type too. You're getting clever. Who's clever? Yeah, you. What? Oh, poor pussy. Where's it? Are you playing with it? Oh, yes. Feathers everywhere. Good girl. It's only because I put the bread out on the lawn. Yes. And this time you hid. And you didn't talk to the birdies. That's how the only way you could catch them. Isn't that right? Well, come on, look at the camera. Don't turn it over there. Bring it back and play with it. Yes, that's good. Okay, bye.